The question is, the graph of y is equal to p of x are given in figure below. For some polynomial is p of x. Find the number of zeros of p of x in each case. So the concept is the number of times graph of polynomial, the number of times the graph of polynomial intersect or touches the x-axis is equal to the number of zeros of polynomial p of x. So this is the concept we have to use in this question. Now the first part. In this case, see, in first case the graph of polynomial is actually parallel to x-axis. Means this graph never touches or cut the x-axis. It is neither intersecting or not touching the x-axis. So in first case, number of zeros is 0. No zeros is there. For no value of x, the value of polynomial becomes 0. Now, second part. In second case, we can see that graph of polynomial intersect x-axis at one point only. It means the number of zeros in this case is 1 only. Now, in third question, the graph of polynomial intersect x-axis at 1, 2 and 3 points. 3 times it intersecting the x-axis. It means in this case, in this question, third part, number of zeros is 3. Now for fourth part, the graph intersecting x-axis at 2 points. It means number of zeros are 2. Now for fifth part, the graph intersect x-axis at 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. 4 point, at 4 point graph is intersecting. So for fifth part, number of zeros are 4. Now for sixth part, the graph intersecting at 1 point and touching the x-axis at 2 point. It intersect at 1 point and touch the x-axis at 2 points. So whenever it touch the x-axis, it also include 1 0 only. So 1 0 for this point where it is intersecting, 1 for this and 1 for this. So number of zeros for this sixth part is 3. Number of zeros for this sixth part of question is 3. So this is our final answer, that number of zeros for first part is 0, for second question it is 1, for third question it is 3, for fourth part it is 2, for fifth part 4 and for sixth part number of zeros are 3. So for first part 0 number of zeros, second part 1, third part 3, fourth part 2, fifth part 4 and sixth part there are 3 number of zeros. That's all for the question.